Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to go ahead and do this look, which is my everyday look. This is my go-to look every time I go somewhere. I'm in a hurry, even though it is super full coverage, but this is always what I do. It's really easy to do. It's a lot of like makeup because I'm a full coverage person, but I mean, this is what I go for every single time. And also, thank you guys so much for 25,000 of you guys. Probably there's a little bit more of you guys now, but I want to go ahead and say I appreciate all of you guys who have been part of my journey for quite a while. I keep leaving, coming back. I always say this in every video, but I honestly do really appreciate all of you guys. So I want to go ahead and start actually getting committed into this YouTube world, and let's hope to get to 50k next. So thank you once again, and I hope you guys enjoy my tutorial. Let's get started. Okay, since we are doing the everyday makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. So you guys always know, well, I don't know if you guys know, but these are like my holy grails, and I'm like cleaning them off because they're dirty. But I always use these two, the Belief moisturizing eye balm and the Belief True Cream Aqua Balm. So both of these, I always rave about these because they're freaking amazing. I like them. This is what it looks like. It's a white lotion type of thing. So then the Aqua Balm is like a gel consistency, which I really like it because I noticed that gel moisturizers kind of make your makeup glide on more, and it doesn't get like oily throughout the day, and that's one thing that I don't like. My favorite foundation at the moment, I do my base first all the time because I just have to. I'm not an eyebrow first person. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Lancome foundation. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it is this foundation. A lot of you guys see it, and I'm in the color 220 Buff C. And I like this foundation because it's really good. I like that it's not thick at all, like at all. It's really it's like not super watery either, but it's not a thick cream. And what I like about it is that it's super full coverage and it stays on so good like throughout the whole day. It's like super matte. So I go ahead and take a brush, any brush, most of the time it's like a flat brush, and I go ahead and spread it around my entire skin. Okay, once I like literally put it all around my face, I don't keep pumping. I only do 2 pumps on my hand. And after, I go ahead and start blending it, since it's easier just to blend it. So when you get your beauty blender, make sure it's damp and squishy, not too wet. And make sure that when you're blending, don't rub. Just only like tap it lightly, like just let the surface of the beauty blender blend everything in. And trust me, you'll have way more full coverage than you thought you would just by like really rubbing it in really quick, because then the foundation gets absorbed into the sponge. Okay, after I finish blending my foundation, you can see like it's pretty good coverage, but I do have a lot of just like coloration around my face, and especially in this area, and I do have like a pimple right here, so we're gonna go ahead and cover it. And this is gonna be, I'm gonna use the concealer, the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the color Almond. And this is, I just literally did a review on this once, and these are like my holy grail concealers. You honestly don't even need to put this much, but I'm just used to putting this amount. You'll never see me without full coverage, let me tell you that. And I put them on the sides of my nose so I can like contour a little bit, because the girl don't like her nose. I literally put so much like all over. And then we're gonna get the same beauty blender and then start. I usually start from down here and then go all the way back up. Okay, so now you can see that it's like pretty blended in. It looks kind of white, but it's fine. I don't understand how girls go without baking their face and just apply powder, but that's not my way. Like, I have to bake. I don't even know what I used to do before baking was even a thing. But this one is the Rimmel London Stay Matte mattifying loose powder. And always make sure that you blend it out, like blend out your under eyes before it starts to crease. Literally like everywhere you're gonna apply. I literally bake my entire face, but don't judge me. Okay, so like it's like setting, so now I gotta do my forehead and make sure I don't have any creasing. And use the other side of the sponge, not the sponge that you're using to bake at the moment, because then it's just gonna set it the way that it is, and you don't want that. Also, another tip for you guys with your eyebrows, a lot of people know, I noticed that you guys say that your guys' eyebrows slip off. Bake your eyebrows too. Okay, and then I usually don't really leave like the whole thing on. I start doing my eyebrows right after, so I go ahead and get a powder brush. So you can get a powder brush, and excuse me that my brushes are dirty. I haven't washed them, but I wash them pretty often. So I usually use one like this or like this, so either one works. Then I usually use my CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Powder, but I'm only gonna dust off the top, only my forehead and my eyebrows, because that's the portion that I'm gonna do next. And then I'm just gonna hop off and do my eyebrows because I have 2 eyebrow videos, but then I'm gonna do an updated one soon, so I'll be back. Okay, now that I finally did my eyebrows, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off all of the powder off of my face. And I'm gonna take this thing actually is really good. A lot of people go for like the very big things for your contouring, but I actually use this. It's the MUA Makeup Academy Professional thing, and it's actually these colors, and I use this last one most of the time. Okay, and then I put some of the baking powder so it could look at least a little bit decent, because it looks freaking disgusting. It looks horrible. I don't know why I look like that. Imagine I actually look like that all the time. And then I'm gonna get a big brush, which is also from the same company, and I use the Galactic Luminous Face Powder in Deep as a bronzer, and it looks like this. It has like some glitter in it, but it's not too much, so it just makes your face look like blend in. Okay, and then my favorite highlighter ever, the Charlotte Tilbury. This one's really expensive, but I mean it's freaking worth it, because I like how this one doesn't give you that, like, I don't know, I get that a lot with the highlighters, that it gets me like a shadow and it's really dark, and I don't like that. But with this one I noticed that it doesn't do that, and it's like not super bright either, but it's this one, and it really does like blind me. Then I go ahead and get this detailing brush from Real Techniques that I've had forever, and it's the shaping brush, and I'm gonna get the same highlighter and put it on my eyebrow, and then I put some on my nose. So then I'm gonna go ahead and get the CoverGirl Look Lockup setting spray. I love this spray so much. It smells so good, and it literally, like, you know when you put setting sprays and sometimes you feel really sticky afterward? This one does not do that at all, so I really like it, and it smells so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get like something to, like, you know, and then just spray on my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes, the ones that I don't even have. So right now I'm gonna brag to you guys about like my favorite. I've been using CoverGirl a lot, so this is actually, it really helps because it's like affordable, but these products have been good. Like CoverGirl has been in a roll, and I'm not just saying that because they send me stuff. Like literally, they're like my everyday, like this is part of my everyday routine, so like that proves it. So they had just came out with this CoverGirl mascara and primer, and these I believe had like fruits in it and stuff to make your eyelashes better. They had like the avocado and papaya in them. I believe those are the fruits that they had them in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the primer on. I don't know about you guys, but like I have like I'm really picky with my mascaras, because I don't like the mascaras that like leave too much product in there, because I hardly have eyelashes. So when it puts too much product down, my eyelashes like automatically clamp together and they just don't look cute. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara. Okay, so I put my lashes on off camera, and these are the Ace Beauty lashes in Cleopatra, I believe. And then I have 2 more steps, which is this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Ladybird. 100% recommend this shadow. I use this shadow on my inner corners. If you don't use like anything in your inner corners, I would like really recommend it, because it really makes a difference. I can't go without doing that, so I just have to. It opens your eyes like a lot. And then that's that. And then the last thing, I usually just put some lip gloss. I don't like putting like really lipstick, so I go ahead and wipe this off, and I'm just gonna use this clear gloss by Lip Fanatic in the color Clearly, because it's clear obviously. And then that's it. That's like literally all I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys actually like this look, because I know you guys always request this, So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, leave a like, go ahead and comment anything else that you guys would like to see, literally anything. I'll go ahead and try to make a video. And also don't forget to enter my giveaway. It ends Tuesday. I'm not sure if I'm going to be posting this by Tuesday or by Monday, so let's hope that I do, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.